bitch out here. But what's going on YouTube? New day, new money. About to pull up on the bros. About to slide the cat, the scat, and the 5-0. About to get some content in, man. It's the fourth quarter. Time to lock in, man. We dropping 2-3 videos a week now, man. I need 1K by the end of the year, man. That's how I'm coming. About to just be grinding. I seen what y'all was saying in the comments too in that last video. Talking about I look like the Delonte West. I don't give a fuck. I just needed a cut, man. I was just grinding. I ain't had no cut. Looking crazy, but we got a cut now. We about to drop this sliding video. Bunch more videos coming too. About to pull up on the bros, man. I'll let y'all know when we back over there. Man, we done pulled up the bro house. Hey, 9 times out of 10, bro gonna be, when y'all see him on the channel, bro gonna be working on his Mustang, man. That's just how Fords be. Found on road dead, they always be broken. What's up, bro?
Yo.
What you got going on?
Remember, boy, gave me the wrong part, bro.
For real? Got both the toys. Bro shit broke down, you know. His shit stay broke down. We about to leave right now, man. We gotta find a place to slide, and then we getting active. We getting active, ain't it?
No cap. No time with that, man.
Shiesty.
Gang. Work.
I forgot to show y'all. I got my screen fit.
Truck behind you, right in your ass.
Track mode with an 807. Mexico for real though.
Car coming to
Damn, what the fuck?
Hey man, that nigga put this like smoking this bitch. Yo! God damn!
Just be my cameraman, bro. Just look out, bro. When I blow, bro, you blowing too, bro. That's how you gotta think about this shit.
Out of commission. Cause I don't. The wrong part come, bro. The wrong part comes, so I gotta get a return process going.
I got BBL, man. Hey, for y'all that don't know, I ain't even see this one, man. This SRT Polo, another rack boy behind the camera.
How you feel, brother?
Feel good, man. I'm just living. What we doing, bro?
30 minutes.
I'm gonna say it's 30 minutes out by the time we done eating.
Bro, it'd be better if it's dark.
How, bro?
I'm telling you.
See anything?
How the fuck?
That's for your shit or you being his cameraman?
Yeah, bitch ass cameraman. You fucked up.
Nigga, take this shit, nigga.
Bitch ass nigga.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy, nigga. Take this shit, nigga.
Hey, look how bro look. This is how he look.
W man.
This shot, and he hating. He hating. He can't just record for me. Bro, go ahead.
Yo, we about to go get something to eat.
I ain't fucking stopping you. Hey, you fresh as hell though. Let me see that watch. Well, guys, took us all day to get to Mexico, man. But we're here. We about to get active. You know, I got the shiesty on. It's cold out here. It's birth. You know what I mean?
Spin it like 3 or 4 times to get the fuck out.
You recording?
Yeah.
Why we gotta leave? We in Mexico.
You right.
And the rail.
Can I see? I am crying.
What?
I said, who was that driving?
Time to go.
Time to go?
Time to go.
Oh!
Hey, that shit be getting low. Another spot, man. Bro about to get right. This is first time sliding too. You gotta hold that bitch. You gotta keep tapping that bitch.
Swing the hell out of his shit, bro. No diddy.
You'll slide this shit?
I'll slide the fuck out of his shit, bro.
You might as well go see. Bro, come on. Just keep. You got space, bro. Just keep going, bro. Yeah. Don't let off that shit. You gotta get a feel of it. Oh, hell no. Yeah, look like you when you first get your shit.
Shut up, man.
Why don't you just...
If I just hold it in one direction, it's going. I'm trying to actually do the whole circle like this. Shit. Not this. Like that. I'm trying to actually slide. You know what I mean?
You know, you might need to start at a bigger angle, like to make a big. I mean, I don't know. I see.
It's like his ass got traction on or some shit. You think I need to hop in and try and show bro how to do that shit? Or what? Should I do it?
Yeah. This dickhead about to try again too. That bitch is swinging, boy.
Yeah.